If I put the number 5 here and nothing on the other side, our equation, our balance, is not equal. It's not balanced because this side has more than the other. What can we do to make it balanced? Make both sides equal. Now that those are equivalent, this side is the same as this side. Now, we don't always have to just use a number. We can always use an equation to make both sides equivalent. Instead of the number 5, I want to put 2 plus 2 plus what number will make this side equivalent to the other side? Super Raiden. Super Reese? Absolutely. Yes, Carlilda and Ace. Yeah. 2 plus 3 gave us a balanced equation. Look at it over here. As we create balanced equations, they're going to pop up over here. Now, look what I'm going to do over here. Now, it doesn't always, well, let's do this. If I did 1 plus, 1 plus what number would make us have a balanced equation here? Super, absolutely. 1 plus 4. Ooh, look what we have now. Here's an addition side and an addition side, and they are equivalent. We now have a balanced equation. Well, I'm going to keep this equation in the red here, and instead, I want us to have a challenge. I'm now going to put the number 7 in a subtraction symbol. Okay, so if over here this addition is equal to this number, what do I need to put over here in order to make this a balanced equation? What do I need to do there? Excellent, Reese and Raiden and Demiri. Carlilda, super. Yeah, guys, for sure. All we have to do is take 2 away, and that equals 5 as well. Look what we've done. We have an addition equation on this side and a subtraction equation on that side. All right. Are you ready for a challenge? I'm going to reset my balance. Let's see who's ready for a challenge. Here we go. 31 plus 42 equals a big old number, 73. What do I need to do in order to make this one balanced? Looking at big numbers, what do I need to add to the blue section to make it equivalent to the red section? I'm seeing some of my friends. Emily, you're writing 31 plus 12. Is that just the one you wanted me to write? Don't do that one quite yet. Let's see if you can help me with what's on the screen. Excellent. My friends are doing a super job helping me know what I need to add to make it equivalent. Super. Now, let's see if we can take it a bit further. Are you ready for the challenge? I have smart boys and girls. If I put 83 and I want us to subtract, well, what do I need to do to make it equivalent? Super, guys. 10. That made another balanced equation. Good job, guys. Okay. Let's stop that there. You guys now equation is. Therefore, let's come here. Oh, that's what we just did. Let's come here. Can you answer this question? Is this a balanced equation? Look right here. We've got 17 minus 2 equals 19. Is that a balanced equation? Is Miri first friend to participate in that question? Rain is the second one. Got 7 more friends to go. Well, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, and I'm number 1. You're right. How do we know that this is not a balanced equation, ladies and gentlemen? You're welcome to grab the microphone and tell me, how do you know this is not a balanced equation?
Because 17 minus 2 does not make 19. It makes 15.
It makes 15, not 19. Okay. Because this is not a balanced equation, they are not equivalent. They're not equal. So I actually have to write a line through the equal sign to show that that's not true.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, tell me something.
Beware of the Ides of March.
I don't know what that means.
That was the day secrets would die.
Okay. We can talk about that later. Right now, we really should be talking about math, right, Emily? Oh, is that Bree? Right, Bree?
Yes.
All right. Let's look at this next one. Is this a balanced equation?
No, it equals 11.
It's not. It equals 11. Absolutely. Thank you very much. I have my friends telling me, no, this is not a balanced equation. And because 11 does not equal 10, then it is not balanced. They are not equivalent. Good job, guys. Okay. So let's go back to where we were defining our words. And this is going to be your exit ticket for today. In order for you to show me that you learned what a balanced equation is, you've got to give me your definition of a balanced equation. Now, we talked about it, and we also did examples of them. So, in your own words, I want you to try using words, and I want you to use an equation to show me what a balanced equation is. That's what you're going to be doing in your breakout room. I'm going to give you guys about 2 minutes to do this by yourself. And I'm going to be looking for my friends to show off. I'm going to be looking to see who I'm going to brag about. I'm going to brag on my friend who does the best job using their words and then giving me an example. Okay, here we go. brought you back to the main room. And you know what? I'm super impressed with what my friends did. A lot of you did a super job using words telling me what a balanced equation was. So it was hard for me to figure it out. And the only way I could choose was to see who did it first. And that was my friend, Mr. Demiri. Demiri, I'm choosing to brag on you because you were the first one to tell me both, to show me words and to give me an example. So let's see what Demiri said. He said a balanced equation was where both sides are the same. Absolutely. Both sides of the equal sign are the same. And here is his example. 10 plus 10 equals 20. And 9 plus 11 also equals 20. All right, kiddos. Super job, Demiri. You have earned yourself a golden star. And I'm going to let you guys scooch on out of here. Our time together is over. That went by super fast. All right, kiddos.
That's what I'm supposed to do?
That's what you were supposed to do.
I couldn't hear what you said whenever you wanted us to do this.
Oh, I'm sorry, Bree. I apologize. That's all you had to do.
What is the super secret spy word?
The super secret spy word is the word snowflake. There it is.